This past winter, I had the privilege of traveling to Bolivia as a part of the prayer and encouragement team. And during our time there, Pastor Michael Cron was able to capture 2 first-hand accounts of Low German families who had been on the colony and through their faith in Jesus Christ were able to come off the colony. They are powerful videos, powerful stories of the redemption and freedom from bondage that comes through Jesus Christ. But when I came back to Canada, these videos became the bane of my existence as the director of media here at the EMMC. You see, I don't speak Low German at all. We actively tried to get translations into English so that I could better understand it, I could better produce it, and I thought that's what the purpose of these videos were. But when that fell through, one of my coworkers suggested that we just post them as they are, in Low German. I was hesitant, but at the end of May, we posted the videos. I was blown away by the response. It was unparalleled to any other videos that we as the EMMC have ever produced. It was crazy. Within 50 days, the video had been shown to 500,000 people. 500,000 people. That's 500,000 people for them to be able to click on it. In those 50 days, 46,000 people actually watched the video. That's an average of 920 people per day. Imagine as a leader, as a pastor, as a missionary, reaching 920 people per day. God is touching lives and people are responding to the God stories. Let me put this in perspective for you. According to Wikipedia, there's 40,000 Low German speaking people in Mexico. This video was watched by over 10,000 people in Mexico. That's 25% of the population of Low German speaking people in Mexico. In Bolivia and Belize and Paraguay and Argentina combined, we had 12,000 views. In Canada, we had 18,000 views. It's pretty incredible. I was awestruck when I watched the numbers. We often think of radio as the invisible missionary, but we're starting to see that these videos are really the invisible missionary. You see, one of the things that I learned when I was in Bolivia is that a lot of the men on the colonies have smartphones and they use them to search for YouTube and other things. They're not supposed to, they keep it secret, but this is one of the tools that they use to connect with the outside world. I don't speak Low German. I don't connect with it as a culture or ethnicity. I don't come from the colony. We have missionaries all over the world doing translation and speaking and learning different cultures and languages. And we send them because we realize that those people that they are reaching need to hear the gospel of Jesus Christ. And so it is with the Low German people. They may not be your people, but they are a people that are in desperate need of freedom and of hope that comes from Jesus Christ. That's why we do what we do. While I was in Bolivia, I also saw some children at the Fortaleza school, the school that's a part of the church, one of the churches that we planted years ago. And those children were wearing purple uniforms, and on the back of their uniforms was a big maple leaf. And when you ask the leaders why, they respond that Canadians had the gospel. And the Canadians brought the gospel to us, and now we have the gospel. And we get to share it with our children. Let's do the same for the Low German speaking people. Let's give them something to celebrate. Let's give them something to change their lives and something they can be proud of and excited about sharing with their children. Let's give them the hope that we have in Jesus Christ.